I'm going to do some cleanup on my G502 Proteus spectrum. As you can see the screw wheel, I have no idea what kind of dirt this is inside, but we can try to brush it off today. Some kind of dirt inside. It's blue in color. Looks like the screw wheel, the paint of screw has faded away and it's slowly corroding. Let's wait for a while. Bucket of water here. Try again. It's really not nice to touch the screw wheel, and then you can get stuck sometimes when I try to use it. So that's why I'm doing this video. I'm not sure if any of you faces this kind of problem before. I do hope the mouse is still functional after I do this. Please don't follow me. There's definitely a lot of dirt inside. I don't know what is that at all. Even inside here there's some kind of dirt. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I think the paint has come off and then starts to get really bad. I better leave this mouse for a few hours before I used it. The inside. Well, again guys, please don't follow what I do, because this is an electronic part that shouldn't get this wet. I'm just trying to clean up and do my best. I believe using alcohol will be a better option. Clearly see that it's corroded. Why? This is my second G502 actually. My previous G502 faced the same problem, and then I sent it to warranty saying this is a cosmetic damage. And then this mouse came, but still the same problem occurred within like 6 months. So yeah, just comment down below if you guys face the same problem. Well, I guess it should be okay now. Let me just go and find something to dry it up. You can see this kind of dirt. I have no idea where it came from. Get some tissues. The wheels feels a bit sticky now. Probably it's because it's wet. I guess this should do it. I hope. Got some tissue here to dry it out. Hopefully it doesn't damage the inner part. Oh wow. And try not to let the tissue falls into the wheel. It's cleaner now, but now it just kind of shows its true color underneath. But that's it for today, guys. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Well, here's the dry out mouse, my G502. The scroll definitely feels so much more smoother now. And when unlock and when I switch to hyper scroll, well, it still won't scroll smoothly like it used to be, but this will do. Alright, that's it for all today, guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.